Let's start in a child's pose. Knees wide, arms out long. Rest your forehead on the mat. Just a few grounding breaths. Checking in with your breath. Take one more full breath in and let it go. And bring both hands to the left side of your mat, stretching out right side body. Inch your fingers a couple more inches. And shift your weight back into your right hip. Couple breaths here. Deep, full breaths into that side body. One more like that. And slowly back to center. Let's take the other side. Hands far to the right. Couple more inches. Shift your weight back, left hip. Breathe into that expansion. Two more. And last full breath. And slowly back to center. Shift your hips forward. Neutral table. Shoulders over wrists. Hips over knees. Inhale, cow, open up. Exhale, cat, round it out, tuck your chin, your tail. Inhale, cow, drop your belly, arch your back. Exhale, cat, round it out. Take a few more on your own. Feel breath to movement. And last one here. And meeting in a neutral spine. Kick out your left foot to the side of your mat and your right foot to the back of your mat so that the back foot is parallel 90 degrees. Come to rise on your knees. Inhale, your arms sweep up. And exhale, right hand to right thigh, left arm reaches over. We're here for one more breath. Reach. Next inhale, both arms reach up. Exhale, left hand down to the mat. Right arm reaches, side body. Grounded through that back foot. Make it an active reach through your fingers. One more breath. And roll your top shoulder down. Pivot down to a neutral table. Switching it out. Pivot your right foot out to the side. Left foot, step back 90 degrees. Come to stand on that right knee. Inhale, arms high. Exhale, left hand to left thigh, right arm reaches. One more breath here with your gaze high. Reach a little further on the exhale. Inhale, both arms reach up. Exhale, right hand down, left arm reaches over. Couple breaths here. Again, from that back foot grounded through your ribs, through your triceps, forearms, fingers, reach. One more breath. And roll your top shoulder down. Finding neutral table. Pivot that right knee back in. Some cat-cow. Inhale, cow, open up. Exhale, cat, round it out. One more, inhale, tuck your toes. Exhale, down dog. Walk out your dog, shift your weight side to side. Give your head a gentle shake. And begin to settle into your down dog. Breath in. Breath out. Breath in. breath here. Let it go. Walk your hands to the back of your mat to meet your feet hips width. Halfway lift, grab your elbows, inhale. Exhale, ragdoll it out. Letting go the neck, head heavy. Do your thing, you could sway or bob up, down. Just getting our head below the heart for a few more breaths. Padahastasana option. Release your bind. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold, gaze to navel. Inhale, rise to stand, arms sweep up. Exhale, cactus, open up, slow it down. Inhale, reach back up, get your length. Exhale, swan dive all the way. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, crawl forward to downward facing dog. Bring your feet to touch back of your mat. Inhale, your left leg high, three-legged dog. And exhale, step through to low lunge. Setting up for a simple twist. Inhale, left arm high. Exhale, back down just as slow. One more like that. Inhale the twist. Exhale, back down, drop your back knee, untuck your toes. Anjaneyasana, arms high. Heel toe that left foot to the corner. Get a little bit more length for the stretch in your hamstrings, hip flexors. You need that length. Breathe. One more full breath in, gaze up. Exhale, cactus out. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, half split. Hinge from your hips. Ground your hands, left leg straight. Option to readjust your back knee however you need to get that left leg straight. We're here for a couple breaths. Keep your hips square, pull that left hip back, last breath. And shifting forward to a low lunge, pick up your back knee. Inhale, left leg high, three-legged dog. Exhale, crunch knee to nose. Inhale, back to three-legged. Exhale, lower your left leg, down dog. Inhale, right leg high, three-legged. Exhale, step through low lunge. Setting up simple twist. Inhale, right arm high. Exhale, back down. One more like that. Inhale the twist. Exhale, back down. Now drop your back knee, untuck toes. Anjane. Here we go. Get the appropriate length. Heel toe, that front foot. Settling into the hips. Just here for a few more breaths. Keep that length through your crown as you drop your shoulders. One more breath in, gaze up. Exhale, cactus, open up. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, half split. All the way down. Readjust that back knee however you need. Keeping your hips square, pull that right hip back a bit and breathe. Send that breath towards the back side of your right leg. One more. And shifting forward to low lunge, pick up your back knee. Inhale, right leg high, three-legged. Exhale, crunch knee to nose. Inhale, back to three-legged. Exhale, ground your right foot, down dog. Inhale, shift forward to plank. Exhale, lower all the way to your belly. Untuck your toes. Belly down, Shavasana. Gaze to the right. Resting your left cheek on the mat. Settle in. One more deep breath. And switch your gaze. Chin to center first. And gaze to the left. Rest your right cheek. Just evening the neck. Couple breaths here. And chin back to center. Bring your hands beneath your shoulders. Slowly push yourself up and back to hero's pose. We'll end with some coherent breath. I'll guide us. Just 5-second inhale, 5-second exhale. No breath hold. Full breath in. Clearing breath out. Inhale for 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more breath like that. Fully in 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breath in. Breath out. One more breath together. Let it go. And bring your hands to third eye center. Bow forward. Namaste. Thanks for joining. See you next time. Share the love.